Hey guys, today we are going to be coloring marble samples. So these are the ones that we're going to be doing today. I use Prismacolor markers as well as the Sakura Jelly Roll and white gouache paint. Now, if you haven't watched the white marble sample video, make sure you watch that. It's the exact same approach, but just different color marker. So you're going to, for dark marble, you're going to go ahead and give it the base color. You're going to give it a couple layers and then make your strokes in the direction that the marble will lay on. So it's not just the first initial blackout, but go ahead and layer on the colors. This one I'm using cool gray and black and the kind of directionality of what the marble striation will be. And when I get it nice and dark, then I'm going to come back with my white jelly roll. And I'm going to go ahead and have my caffeine rolling hand, and I'm going to roll it and feather it, roll it and feather it. Now this all depends on what pattern black marble you want, if it's super busy or minimal. Then I use white gouache paint with a very small tip, a round brush, and then I go ahead and kind of trace over some of the lines, and sometimes I'll smudge it like that just so that it gives like a different thickness. So I'll have fine lines, medium lines, thick lines in some areas. So I'm trying to make it as natural as possible. And that's basically it. This is how you do black marble. Now for other colored granite or marble, you're going to do the same approach that you did for the black, but the only difference is when you're done with the marbling, the white gel pen and the white gouache pen part, then you're going to come back and define the darker areas of the marble with the darker color marker that you have. In this case, it's a green marker, so that's exactly where I'm going to define my darker values. So this sample has a lot of different colors. So you're basically going to have a lot of fun just layering on markers. As you can see with my first layer, it's just a whole bunch of blues, different values of blues, feathering it. I'm offsetting some of these lines. It's like very loose and free. So you're going to do this for all of your colors that you see in your sample. once you get your various colors in there, you're going to take a medium color and kind of bridge the value a little bit. And I use this with a chisel side so that it's giving me the medium tone, so it's not super highly contrasting. And again, you're going to have to take a look at your reference image and see the colors in the family of the sample that you're trying to recreate. I also have blue families here so that I can play with the value change. And you're just going to kind of layer it. And the good thing about this stuff is unless somebody actually sees your marble sample, nobody's going to know if it's wrong or right. The next bit is just your feathering of white with a white gel pen to get those irregular graining across. You're going to take a look at your sample. You're going to look at the direction that it's going in. And the last bit is, again, focusing on some of the white. The white helps give it some natural look, and you can really make the whites pop, or then you can use the smudging technique to give you some different values in there. So it creates a different texture. And that's what this finish is. It's just a really fancy, fun texture. Alright, so this is how I approach the different marble samples. I hope that you found it helpful, and I will see you next time.